यतो हस्त स्ततो दृष्टि, यतो दृष्टि स्ततो मन, यतो मन स्ततो भाव, यतो भाव स्ततो रस. Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Mind Your Mind. This is Vinita. The shlok that I recited just now is sung to depict the importance of Abhinaya in any Indian classical dance form. The literal meaning of the shlok was, where your hand goes, your eyes should follow. Where your eyes go, your heart or mind should follow. Where your heart and mind goes, emotions emerges. And where emotions emerges, sentiments are provoked. The importance of Abhinaya in Indian classical dance form is of utmost importance. An Indian classical dance form or performer is thoroughly trained in doing Abhinaya. The obvious benefits of doing Abhinaya or expressions is that it tightens the facial muscles, leading to anti-aging properties, more glow and glowing skin. The physical properties or the psychological properties of doing Abhinaya is that it makes the classical dancer more empathic towards each and everything. It is proven that the Indian classical performers are more empathic towards each and everything. Few aspects in Indian classical dance form like Abhinaya makes them more empathetic towards each and everything. For example, if a dancer has to depict the role of Draupadi, she has to portray the role of Draupadi, the fierce lady, and also the scene from Mahabharata where her Vastra Haran took place. If she has to depict that scene from Mahabharata, she will have to enter into the character of Draupadi. She will have to empathize with the character. She will have to go through the emotions that she must have felt while she went through that scene. The hurt, helplessness, pain, hatred, all those emotions she will have to feel so that she can feel those emotions and make the audience feel those emotions. Therefore, the Indian classical dancer has to empathize with the character, with the situation, portray that scene on the stage, and also provoke those emotions or sentiments in her audience. This process makes the Indian classical dance form or performer more empathic in many ways. You all do not have to be an Indian classical dance form performer to be more empathic. You all can be more empathic like an Indian classical dance form just by practicing it. The next time you think of going for an Indian classical dance performance, make sure that you pay more attention to the nartaki, to the performer. Pay attention to the character that she is portraying, and unknowingly you will start feeling what she is feeling. You will start understanding what she is portraying, and unknowingly even you will develop empathy towards her, towards the character. I'll see you all in the next video with even more interesting facts about Indian classical dance form and its psychological and physical benefits. Till then, keep dancing, keep moving, keep feeling.